Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the project overview of the residential project Westgate by House of Hiranandani located in Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and towards my left is the actual land parcel of the project. Also, you can see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing what points like overview, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 25 acres that has total of 12 towers. Now they are currently launching 6 towers of 2 basement, ground, 6 podium plus 55 residential floors, having spacious and luxurious 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Also, the towers are different for 2 BHK. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located opposite to Bhumi Acres, Thane, from where Hiranandani Estate is only at a distance of 3 minutes, Ghodbunder Road is only at a distance of 5 minutes, you have Eastern Express Highway at a distance of 15 minutes, and colleges and hospital is within the distance of 1 kilometer of the project. Also, you have schools, 5-star hotels and shopping centers within the vicinity of the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 60 plus amenities with over 6 to 7 acres of open space. The amenities will include a beach-style pool, gym, clubhouse, mini theatre, an aqua gym, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK luxury residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 483 to 756 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of 980 to 1280 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1622 to 1761 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. And now, talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. The token varies with configuration, but the token starts from 5 lakhs. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project Westgate by the House of Hiranandani, located in Thane.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.